6 mistakes that are killing your KDP sales and exactly how to fix them. Let's dive into the mistakes that are costing you sales and how to fix them right now. So mistake number 1, your cover doesn't make people want to click. And your book cover is literally the only thing people see when browsing Amazon. If it doesn't grab attention in half a second, they scroll right past it. Here's what I see all the time. Covers that are too busy with too many elements, using fonts that are hard to read in thumbnail size, colors that blend together and look muddy, generic stock photos that look like everyone else's, and font that's too hard to read. Remember, your cover shows up tiny little thumbnails on Amazon. If you can't read and understand what the book is in under 2 seconds, I'm clicking on your competitor. And here's how to fix it. Bold, readable fonts, and test your cover at thumbnail size. Choose high contrast colors and make sure your elements pop. Clear, professional images, invest in quality, or use Canva Pro. Keep your design simple. Less is more. Try to have one clear focal point. Don't try to show everything. Look at the bestsellers in your niche. What do those covers have in common? Model that style, but don't copy it. And I see these same mistakes over and over and over. And the good news, they're easy to fix. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Shannon. I teach people how to start side hustles and build passive income. I've published over 100 books on Amazon KDP and made 36,000 in print-on-demand sales, all while working a full-time job. My goal is to help you build your first side hustle this month. Mistake number 2, your listing isn't optimized, which means your listing description and your A+ content aren't doing their job. Your listing is your sales page. It needs to convince people to buy, not just describe what's in the book. Here's what's ruining your sales. Generic descriptions that could describe any book, no bullet points breaking down what's inside, no A+ content at all or boring A+ content, not showing the interior preview, and no social proof like reviews or benefits mentioned. Amazon gives you so much space to sell your book. The title, subtitle, description, A+ content, preview, use it all. And here's how to fix it. For your title and subtitle, include primary keywords, make the benefit clear, and tell exactly what it is. For the description, start with a hook, either a problem or a benefit. Use bullet points for features, use keywords, and end with a call to action. For A+ content, show interior pages, highlight unique features, and compare to competitors. Use all the image slots available. A+ content can increase your conversion rate by 5 to 10%. Don't skip it. And mistake number 3, you're just in the wrong niche. And that means you picked a niche with no demand or way too much competition. And I see this all the time. People make beautiful books that nobody's searching for, or they jump into a niche where the first 3 pages of results are all from big publishers or a ton of reviews. And here's how to know if your niche is the problem. It's no demand if your keywords get under 1,000 searches per month, and it's too competitive if the first page is all 4 to 5+ star reviews, and it's too competitive if the first page is all 4.5+ star books with 500+ reviews, and it's too saturated if every result is identical to yours, and it's the wrong audience if the books that are selling aren't like yours at all. And here's how you find the sweet spot. Search volume between 5,000 and 50,000 per month. Competition should be a mix of established and new books. Your price point should be between $6.99 and $9.99, which means people are buying, and the top books should have under 200 reviews so that you can compete. Use these tools: Amazon search bar to see suggestions, Publisher Rocket or Helium 10 for keywords, Amazon bestseller list to see what's actually selling, a Productor for Merch by Amazon. Make sure you pick a niche where there's clear demand, but you can still compete. Don't be a tiny fish in a massive pond. If you haven't already, hit subscribe so you don't miss my weekly side hustle updates and KDP tutorials. And mistake number 4 is your keywords are wrong, which means your keywords aren't helping Amazon show your book to buyers. Keywords are how people find your book on Amazon. If keywords are wrong, your book's invisible. Here's what I see people doing wrong: using the same keyword multiple times, which is a waste of space, using single words instead of phrases, stuffing keywords that don't relate to the book, not using all 7 keyword slots, or forgetting to use variations that people actually search. Amazon gives you 7 keyword boxes. Each can hold multiple words, and that's a lot of space to tell Amazon about your book. So do this. Use full phrases people actually type in search. Include synonyms, variations, add long tail keywords, which are 3 to 5 word phrases. Research what bestsellers in your niche use, and update your keywords if your book isn't getting impressions. For example, a meal prep book, box 1, meal prep cookbook for beginners. Box 2, easy meal planning recipes, healthy eating. Box 3, weekly meal prep containers, lunch ideas. Every keyword should be a phrase someone actually types into the Amazon search. And mistake number 5, your title isn't searchable. Your title's creative, but no one can find it. I get it. You have a clever, catchy title, but on Amazon, searchable beats creative every single time. So go to Amazon, look at best-selling KDP books. Their titles aren't clever, they're clear. A bad title example, Finding Your Inner Light. It sounds nice, But what is it? A good title example: Guided Journal for Self-Discovery, 365 daily prompts for mindfulness, gratitude, and personal growth. So why that works? It tells exactly what it is, which is a guided journal. It includes main keywords, self-discovery, and it lists benefits like mindfulness, gratitude, and growth. And it shows what's inside, 365 prompts. Your title should answer these questions instantly. What type of book is it? Who is it for? What problem does it solve? And what's inside? Here's a simple title formula: type of book for target audience, benefit, or contents. Here are a few more examples: password logbook for seniors, large print internet address and password organizer, coloring book for adults, 50 stress-relieving floral designs for relaxation, budget planner 2026, monthly financial organizer for debt-free living. Clear and searchable will always outsell clever and cute. And mistake number 6, your interior design is unprofessional. So maybe your book interior looks a little amateurish, but it's fixable. People judge your book by the look inside preview. If it looks cheap, poorly formatted, or thrown together, they click away. And here's what ruins sales in the preview: inconsistent fonts and sizing, pages that are too crowded, low quality images or graphics, weird margins or spacing, spelling and grammar errors, and pages that look different from each other. Amazon's look inside pages show the first 10 to 15 pages. Those pages need to look professional and polished. So to fix it, use consistent formatting, which means every page follows the same layout. It's clean, readable fonts. Don't get fancy with body text. Proper margins, leave some white space. Don't cram it all in. And use high quality graphics. If you use images, make them crisp. Proofread because the typos kill credibility. And test your preview. Look at it like a customer would. Some tools that help are Canva for templates that keep everything consistent, Grammarly to catch errors, and Unsplash for graphics. Your interior doesn't need to be fancy. It just needs to be professional and consistent. If you haven't already, hit subscribe so you don't miss my weekly side hustle updates and KDP tutorials. Okay, let's recap the 6 mistakes ruining your KDP sales. Number 1, bad cover. Make it bold, readable, and click-worthy. Number 2, it's a weak listing. Make sure you optimize for description and A+ content. Number 3, you're in the wrong niche. Make sure you pick one with high demand and low competition. Number 4, bad keywords. Use full phrases people actually search for. Number 5, unsearchable cover, unsearchable title. Be clear, not clever. Number 6, amateur interior. Be sure to use professional, consistent designs. If you fix these 6 things, you'll see your sales improve. If you want a shortcut, I have a complete KDP starter kit with Canva templates, keywords, ebooks, niches, listing optimizations, A+ content guides, research guides, checklists. The link is in the description down below. It's designed to help you avoid these mistakes from the start. So which of these mistakes have you been making? Be honest, drop any questions in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer them all. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.